Welcome to another episode with the farmer. So, assuming you are starting a poultry farming in this 2025, what is important? One of the things that is important is diseases. How do you identify diseases when it comes to poultry farming? So, in this video, we wanted to actually discuss about some of the common diseases you can actually identify when it comes to poultry diseases. So here with me, I have an expert in poultry who is going to take us through some of the things and some of the signs and how you can actually prevent them and also cure them. So let's talk about some of the diseases in poultry. So what are the common diseases now for someone that is starting a poultry farm in 2025, for a layman person that's just starting afresh?
Thank you, the presenter. You know, when I talk about disease signifies the absence of normality in an animal.
Okay.
The animal is not normal, it's not looking the way it ought to look. Now, in disease in poultry, it's so wide. It's so wide. You start from the Marek disease, from the Newcastle disease, from the IB disease, from a lot of disease.
Can you just mention few? Like
now, I'll just mention few in this video.
Okay.
with the sign. And major disease that you can see in poultry, you know through their poo.
Okay.
You know through their poo.
Okay.
Now, number one disease, the coccidiosis that is well known to horse.
Okay.
Now, what are the signs that you will see in the pool of the bird? When he's going from a creamish color, creamish yellow color, that means the cocci is still just beginning.
Okay.
Now, you can remember your embassy faults. And if you want to do it naturally, you remember your purple leaf and
that's organic way.
Organic way.
So okay, that's the reddish poo.
When it's getting to reddish poo, that means it's becoming a chronic coccidiosis.
Okay. What are the causes? What can actually cause it?
Now, number one thing that can cause it is when the litter is wet.
Okay.
They pick up some wet things, wet food.
Okay.
Then it incubates in the intestine.
Okay.
And it aggravates to putting yellowish, brownish, and it turns to blood.
Okay. So now for coccidiosis, now is one of the common diseases which are the symptoms include reddish poo, then
yellowish to reddish,
stuff like that. And what drug do you actually recommend?
I say you can remember your embassy fault, other cocks, prococ, but you want to do it naturally.
That's
in an organic way. You can remember your purple leaf.
Okay.
Remember your azadirachta indica, dogoyaro leaf. You remember your you remember your bitter leaf.
Okay. So that's for coccidiosis. So let's talk about another disease.
Another one is E. coli.
E. coli. As in that is deadly.
E. coli also is deadly. You know, when you see E. coli, the poo will be brownish.
Okay.
Brownish, and it kills bird. In fact, like rat.
Wow.
Now, the way you can prevent E. coli is by giving them the vaccine.
Vaccine. There's vaccine.
There is vaccine for it. E. coli vaccine.
Okay.
And if you want to use drug, you can use like any drug that contains gentamicin or streptomycin.
Okay, that's the broad spectrum drugs.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Gentamicin and
like erythromycin, irofloxacin, like ciprofloxacin,
okay.
and so on.
Okay.
But you want to prevent it in an organic way. Okay. You can use your mango leaf, you can use your guava leaf, and so many like that.
Okay, that's for prevention.
For E. coli.
E. coli. Okay. So
now, other one is when you are seeing the pool of your animal, of your bird, greenish.
Okay.
When you are seeing it greenish, it could be Newcastle. It could be maybe the animal on a free range. They feed on green leaves.
Okay.
It could be CRD, chronic respiratory disease,
Okay.
and so many and so on.
Okay. So now, like greenish can be if no one will start and put it on the free range, and then it's going to be in the cage. So for someone that is, if you start noticing greenish poo from the birds, you discover that that's a symptom of
E. coli.
E. coli and
Oh, sorry, Newcastle disease. Sorry.
So what is the prevention measure for it, and how do you treat any bird that has that is with
Number one thing you can do is to prevent it by giving them the vaccine.
okay, they have vaccine
Lasota ND oil also is there.
okay,
Newcastle disease oil is an oil-based vaccine. When you inject it, it immune them. The way you can also do is by either giving if it is CRD, you give any drug that contain gentamicin, tylosin, tylodox, and so many on.
okay,
Like gentylo and combination of gentamicin and tylodox.
okay,
So you can give them, and if you want to do it in a natural way, you can you can prepare your Christmas melon.
okay, Christmas
that people
melon.
know as tagiri.
Okay, that's Yoruba name for
Yes,
okay,
Yoruba name for Christmas melon. You can prepare it. You can store. You can do it for like 7 days. You sieve it. Before you do that, you'll have peeled the back.
okay,
The inside of it, you ferment it. It's gonna go fermentation, because if you introduce it directly like that, it can kill the animal.
okay.
So when it's gonna go to fermentation, then you mix it with normal water.
Okay.
And please, when you are giving your vaccine, don't use chlorinated water.
Okay.
Because it will bind the effect of the attenuate.
Okay.
Now, other thing that is common in the poultry, is IB, infectious buzzard.
That's
that what many people call gomboro.
Gomboro is a city in I think USA.
I never knew before. I'm not. Now, gomboro kill farm bird very fast. Gomboro is within 7 days in the farm, and we take as much as bird it want to take.
Very fast.
Very fast. What you can do to prevent it is giving your vaccine. And other way you can also use is by giving this Christmas melon, and also use microplasma drugs.
Okay.
That can easily prevent it.
Okay.
Now, when you see your animal giving out whitish poo, that's IB.
That's symptoms of
IB.
Okay.
Whitish poo
and sudden death.
Sudden, very high. When you see your bird pooing water, it could be as a result of maybe they are on empty stomach, they have taken more water, or a mycoplasma disease.
Okay.
That has set in.
Okay.
So with this, you make sure that you treat the water. You can use all those all those iodine based medication.
Okay.
Like you use iodosterol, you use gombozine and other things like that. So with this, you will be able to have a sound poultry bird and be able to maximize your profit and minimize the cost.
So
thank you.
Thank you so much. It's a very long video, and want to appreciate everyone that have taken their time to watch this video. Please don't forget to like this video, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And we're going to see you in our next video.